stay safe.
Alex, they're right now in Daytona Beach, so they're on the opposite side of the state where that storm initially made landfall. They had power this afternoon when we talked to them, and they're up on the 4th floor, so they're staying away from where some of that flooding is happening. They're waiting for the worst of the storm to pass so they can head home. Whipping winds, violent seas.
I had never seen that to this point.
Darlene Punch and her wife have been visiting Florida for years. This trip, she's not likely to forget.
No, far from that.
Their first sign something was headed their way was when the water started to recede.
It was bad here last night.
The tide was sucked way down the beach. Then it came back with vengeance.
I'm like, well, is it going to come in 30-foot waves or what?
This is the view from Darlene's hotel this afternoon. The rain isn't as strong, but the waves have continued to climb, now covering the beach and splashing over the storm wall.
Mainly you just see the ocean getting more and more worked up.
For now, Darlene has one ear pressed to the door.
We're trying to just listen and see if we heard anything.
And is keeping her fingers crossed the worst is past them. And again, Darlene tells me that she and her wife right now are planning to stick it out for the next couple days, hoping that they're going to be able to make it home with some ease here once that storm passes.
Wishing her safe travels for sure.
Absolutely.
I'm just glad they're okay. I know the vacation was a washout, but it's good that they're safe.
Safe and with power, which is always good in these situations.
Absolutely. Liliana, thank you. So look at this mess in Fort Myers Beach.